How is slugging percentage, SLG, calculated in baseball? Have you ever wondered how baseball measures a player's power at the plate? One key statistic that helps us understand this is slugging percentage, often referred to as SLG. It gives us a clear picture of how many bases a player earns per at-bat. Unlike batting average, which only tells us how often a player gets a hit, slugging percentage takes into account the value of those hits. So, how exactly is SLG calculated? The formula is fairly straightforward. You start by adding up the total number of bases a player gains from their hits. This includes singles, doubles, triples, and home runs. Each type of hit has a different value. A single counts as 1 base, a double counts as 2, a triple counts as 3, and a home run counts as 4. The formula looks like this. Slugging percentage equals the sum of singles plus 2 times the number of doubles plus 3 times the number of triples plus 4 times the number of home runs, all divided by the number of official at-bats. To break it down further, if you want to find the number of singles, you take the total hits and subtract the doubles, triples, and home runs. This gives you a clearer view of how many times a player has reached base with just a single hit. It's important to note that only official at-bats count in this calculation. This means walks, hit by pitches, sacrifices, and other plate appearances that do not count as at-bats are excluded. When you calculate a player's slugging percentage, you express it as a decimal rounded to 3 decimal places. For example, a slugging percentage of 450 might be written as 0.450. This statistic is widely used to evaluate hitters from both the past and present. Players known for their power, often called sluggers, typically have higher slugging percentages due to their ability to hit for extra bases. Slugging percentage also plays a role in comparing players across different eras. It reflects how effectively they hit for extra bases, which can be a significant factor in their overall offensive impact. Additionally, teams sometimes use a related statistic called slugging percentage against, which measures how many bases opposing hitters gain off a pitcher. In summary, slugging percentage is a foundational batting metric that complements other statistics like batting average and on-base percentage. It provides a fuller understanding of a player's offensive value and their ability to contribute to their team's success.